Hi, I'm Paul with MarineMax here in Houston, and I'm chilling on a 236 Grady. This is a beautiful 24-foot 2023 model from Grady-White, powered by a 300 Merc on the back. Great fishing boat, great family cruiser, capable of offshore or anything you want to do with it. Set up for some serious fishing back here in the back. We've actually got two live wells on this boat. We've got one here, and then we've got another one right here under the helm seat, and a fish box slash ice chest right here. This boat has both raw water and fresh water. This is great to rinse off the salt off of you or your fishing rods or scuba gear, whatever you may have. Got some really nice storage lockers on the back of the boat. Great for scuba fins, dock lines, different things like that. Great fishing boat, great dinner cruiser. Check this out. Put the seat down. Great tow hold. Got good tow holds here, no matter if you're gaffing a fish or just grabbing a cleat. Great combing pads. Look at all the rod storage, all on the gunnels, hard top. You'll notice we've got the colored underneath the hard top. Tool storage here. Lockable tackle area here. Pull out trays. Beautiful double helm. Like I said, we have a live well tucked under this one. At MarineMax, we do custom electronics on your Grady-White, so we can put any brand of electronics you want on here. Got room for twin screens, and just a reminder that the Yamaha computer can also back up as a GPS as well. We've got digital throttle and shift, trim tabs. Another one of my favorite features, electric anchor windlass on the front of the boat. Come on aboard, I want to show you the head compartment and the bow section. One of the unusual things about a boat this size category is the room that we have in the head compartment. I mean, it is huge down in there. It's great for storage, but it also is a very functional head system. Moving forward, we've got another ice chest under the console seat. You'll see all these wonderful cushions. They're all removable. So if you want to be slinging some fish blood in here, you can. Got non-skid fish platform underneath, fish boxes on each side and the front. Even this casting insert can be taken out if you want to just have regular bow seating. You'll notice the windlass anchor we mentioned earlier. Here's another great option that we ordered on this boat, the bow shade. These are really getting popular on our boats nowadays, and you can see why. It's nice and comfy out here in the heat and humidity of Houston. Another feature I like on this, that most all Grady's have now, the swivel bow seats. Get the backrest out of the way, makes an even better combing for fishing. Full windshield, check that out. Complete blockage from the rain and the wind. You can put you some outriggers on here too if you want it. Come check this boat out. I'm Paul at MarineMax. Be glad to show you this one or many of our other offerings we have here.